Hi, good morning. Hope you're doing good. I have uploaded a video 6 days or 7 days back. I don't remember exactly, but I have mentioned that there is a strong possibility the market might reach this level. Okay, so at that time, Ethereum was in all-time high. Even my friends asked me, "See, Ethereum is in all high, and how would you tell that market will reach this level?" And I told them that it's very simple. There is a strong possibility I could see it's a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so that it might take time, but let's keep an eye on this target. Okay, and if there is any external pressure, the market might go up, but most probably it will reach this level. Okay, and now it almost it reached this level, and I believe that it might reach our target too. Okay, anyhow, let's wait. Again, I'm saying that if there is any external pressure, it might go up, else it will respect this pattern. Okay, so the first target would be this level, and second target would be this level, but let's keep an eye on this number. Okay, 113,800. Okay. Okay, so what learnings even I am taking from this analysis? It's very close to my heart. This analysis very is very close to my heart because of few factors. The one thing is that at that time, even my friends, even I too had some confidence, 75% of confidence, but still, but I never know how long it will take. But it took a lot of time. Okay, but this is only I kept this only for learning purpose, and yeah. So my friends are happy that, and one of my friend told me that yeah, it about to reach, and yeah. So I'm very happy, and so what I have learned personally is like yeah, we need to believe our knowledge and the patterns, the learnings that we are sticking in this field. Okay, we no need to complicate ourselves. I strongly believe that market is its way. It's very happy and it's very happy in its own way. We are complicating ourselves like this or that, many indicators, hearing many noises. We need to cut off all the noises first. Okay, we need to learn first. We need to stick. We need to learn more basic concepts. Okay, like support and resistance, trend lines, market structure, patterns, and we need to stick with one instrument. Okay, and pay attention to volume. Pay attention to the volume, the timing, the time frames. Okay, so everybody has their own style, but you need to follow your style in this field. So if you are getting more success rate in particular instrument or in particular time, you need to stick with that. You need to do journaling. That's very 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 important. But many of you are not aware of it. Even I got a lot of confidence only after I do journaling. Okay, so after journaling alone, I got a lot of confidence. So please stick with your learnings, learn more, and don't complicate yourself. Okay, that's very 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 important. So if you're having any doubt, please let me know. And yeah, I'm very happy our success ratio and our success rate in chart analysis or our tradings are pretty high um, compared to our previous previous times. Okay, previous month or previous years. Okay, I'm very 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 glad, and I'm very happy that today I got a YouTube comment saying that one of our subscriber, he's been profitable for 10 days. So congrats and all the best. And I don't know him personally, but he used to ask me a lot of doubts, and he's been following our channel for more than 2 months. I think our channel is around for 3 months or less. And I'm happy that he's very consistent in his learning, his doubts, and he's been very consistent. That's and he's following the right thing. Okay, maybe he's doing a lot of homework, and without that, it's very difficult. I'm very happy for him, and you can follow anyone. Okay, so I'm telling you, you can follow anyone, but whatever you follow, you stick with the basics. That's very important. Okay, and be consistent. Keep everything simple and plain. That's what I insist all the time. Okay, and do journal. That's very important. And if you are going with Indian market, journaling is very important because it's quite volatile compared to other markets. And I see now I am trading only in Indian market. Okay, especially only on Bank Nifty, and now I am pretty much confident about my trades, about my timings, and about my journaling. Seriously, I don't do journaling now, but if you're a beginner, that will help you a lot. That will shape you for success. Okay, even even many people won't tell you that secret. The secret lies in journaling. Okay, and yeah, initially you need that. You need the strong support. Means the journaling is very important. Okay, you need to you need to specify the time, you need to specify the entry exit, and you need to stick with your particular time with one strategy, with one instrument. And if you're using any indicators, you need to mention them. Don't rely only on indicators, rely on your knowledge, and for any confirmation you rely on indicators. Okay, and stick with one or two, not more than that if you're in initial stage. Okay, so that's what see, it's very simple. I would say that if you are sticking with your strategy or with your instrument, and with one or two instrument, initially go with one. It's very easy, it's not that complicated, but we are making it complicated. That's what I believe. So as I said, market is flowing in its own way. It's very happy. Market is very happy, but we are we are unhappy, thinking it's so complicated. Okay, it's not. It's very easy, but we have to put efforts. That's it. We have to put the right efforts. We have to put consistent. We have to be consistent. That's it. Not It's not that complicated. Okay, so all the best. And yeah, if you have any doubt, and if you anybody need any course, or like my course or my consultation or my coaching, please let me know. So yeah, thank you.